In this vlog I want to show you 5 AI tools who can help you in the next 5 years, and you need to pay attention if you want to get a great job and still go to the college. In the last vlog I talked about the different can be in the next 3 or 5 years will enter college and the AI who changed the game. And you need to pay attention of AI, because after 3 or 5 years of college and you don't know how to use AI and even more specific AI tools, you can't get results from the college, and actually it will be so hard to get your dream job or to do what you want, because you have the college but you don't know how to work with AI. Today you can see how crazy is the AI and how many things it's happening right now. AI it's more crazy, do more things, it's more complex, and it's not about normal people, it's about the people who know to work with AI and don't know. And the people who know to work with specific AI and take advantage, it's the most biggest advantage you can have right now. And the first tools, it's actually Claude. It's the most popular tools right now, and a lot of people take advantage, have actually a personal assistant who work for them 24/7 and know everything. Claude is the most important AI tools you need to learn right now, and focusing on what Claude can do for you. You need to learn how to get results, how to talk with him, how question put on Claude, and actually how to use correctly. You can have actually the best answer for your question. Actually, if you have the Pro, believe me, it's the best choice, and Claude can work for you exactly as a personal assistant and have a lot of things to do for you, and you can talk a lot of things about Claude, but you need to pay attention first on Claude, learning the basic stuff and how to use, how to ask, and actually how Claude works. And this is the first step you need to pay attention in the next 5 years. Let's starting with the next. The next one, it's actually GhostwriderOS. It's an app actually like a copywriting who can help you with script, thumbnails, images, and everything about texting, emails, and a lot of description and everything about copywriting. It's a copywriting for everyone, and actually it's 24/7 doing a great work and have a lot of things you can put in your day by day and help you with a lot of time and can get more results more fastest. And if you're learning to use correctly, you can get the best results and make more advantage, and actually it's more better because you can use in the college time and you don't need to learning a lot of things. It will be easy to understand and take advantage from this. And the first thing is just for the beginning, you can get the best, and Ghostwriter and Claude can make a great work together, give a lot of advantage and make you the best results in the next 5 years. If you're learning to use and take advantage from Ghostwriter and Claude in the next 5 years, you will be more safe and more less chance to be changed with a person who knows to work with AI, because you already know how to work and get advice, get advantage, and improve. You can work and give the real results from the leader or for the person who you work. And actually you can start a side hustle and work between the job and your income or your college or your new income. And Ghostwriter can help with this, and this is everything I can say about Ghostwriter. Is the best copywriter you can have, and you don't need to pay too much for him. You can have access 24/7 on him. So let's start into the next one. Next one, it's sintesaseAI, and this one it's a specific AI for the people who want to work in info space and digital product. sintesaseAI can collect the data from the content creator and create programs with AI, can help you to get results and create your own product, ebook, structure for the video course, coaching calls, and everything else about digital product and info space. sintesaseAI it's a specific AI to work, and if you want you can spend like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour a day in a college and learning how to use and how to create programs with just a few clicks. And sintesaseAI is one of the greatest program creating and help you to get the results very quick, because you don't need to be an expert on something else. You just give the information from cloud to the sintesaseAI, and sintesaseAI will do all the work for you and create your own product, and you can put in WAP and actually can make sales if it's a great program, and everyone needs this one. And sintesaseAI can be very useful, very fast, and give you a lot of information, because info space and digital product is not something who needs money or big knowledge or strategy to launch. You can try as much times you need to launch a program for you or for someone who already have an audience, and if you like it, I can create a video special about this and see exactly how you can create programs for other people and get the best advice. And actually this is what I'm doing right now and what I try to get the best results. But the most important thing is sintesaseAI can help you a lot and give you a lot of advantage in the next 5 years. And the best part, it's very hard to fail with this strategy. You can get a lot of advantage from this AI, and it's time for the next one and see exactly what is the most important thing. One is Gemini, who can help you with the best presentation for your potential clients. Gemini AI, it's a great tool to create presentation and get information and actually create a structure for a personal brand and get great results with this. I starting to learning about Gemini and create presentation a few months, and it's the best work and the best choice I have for the next couple years. I think it will be more better, and you can learning very easy, and you just need a great script and create a great specification and information for the Gemini to create a presentation, give everything he need and just create a presentation. This is everything, and Gemini can create the best presentation, actually like a professional copywriting, and every AI tools, specific AI tools can help you with a lot of things. And actually, you know, Lovable, it's something who can create a website and is the best and have a lot of information. You have a lot of choice to get in specific AI tools and give the best results and have a side hustle. Is the beginning, because in the next 3, 5, 10 years will be more crazy, more AI tools will launch, and you can see every day a lot of AI tools is launching, a lot of new words who sound very cool, a lot of results and things like this. But you need to choose one and focusing as much you need on this one for the day you will get the first result. And let's starting with the last one. Last one can be Banana or Gemini is the best AI if you like to edit images and create images with AI. These two AI can help you a lot. Actually, I use Copilot to create thumbnails and images, editing them, and do a great work if you give a great prompts and actually how to edit the images. You can get a lot of results from this, and the best work you can do is just be more specific when you text how to edit and what, and you will get the best images to the best quality. And believe me, these two apps is so strong, so powerful, and actually is real. In the next 3-5 years will come a lot of AI tools, specific AI who can help you to get more better results, more faster and things like this. And if you want to go in the college, do this, it's your choice, but you need to pay attention on these apps and learning as much you can, because you don't know how much results you can give and actually how much results the college will can give you in the next 3 or 5 years, because the economy is changed and AI changed the entire game. You need to be an expert anymore and do a lot of hard work. Right now you can be the smart and choice to learning a specific AI and do what you think is the best for you. So this is everything for today. Thank you for the time, and as always, I believe you can change too.